I just love my calculator. We do so much stuff together. Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Tim! Well, look at that. I fixed it. Well, there's a little bit of scratching on the screen, but... Let's play basketball, Tim. Let's play frisbee, Tim. You know what, Tim? I'm sorry, but you're kind of fat. And you break really easily, so... Let's play basketball, Tim!